If you're going into the business of speaking, you might want to think about starting a speaking business. And here's the secret why. My name is Lee Hayes. I am the founder of Path to the Main Stage, where I help speakers like you get on more stages. Here's the thing about being in the speaking business. If you are an individual and you get hired by a company to speak, there are many things you need to think about from a business aspect. And one of those is about how you're going to get paid. The bigger the company, the more stringent the rules about who and how they pay. If you are an individual, there become implications to them about how they're hiring you. Are they hiring you as an employee, as an individual? Often you're in better shape if you are a company and not a person. So let's say you are Jim Speaker. You can start a business, Jim Speaker LLC. The benefit to you and to the company is that now, instead of you giving them information about how to pay you under your social security number, which is what you'd have to do because when you submit an invoice, you have to submit a W-9, and this is all U.S. information. The W-9 would have your social security number on it. Instead of doing that, if you are LLC'd or S-corped or incorporated, you now give them a W-9 with a TIN on it, a tax identification number, instead of your social security number. It also changes the implications for them in the way they pay you, the way they have to send you tax information. It's all impacted just by that W-9. Now, I am not an accountant. This is not accounting advice. However, if you have a business, there also might be good benefit to you because you can declare expenses when you have a business. Now, if you need business advice, here is my advice to you. You can contact SCORE, S-C-O-R-E. That is an organization that, with no cost to you, will offer you business advice from business experts who are volunteers. Another thing to look at is the Small Business Association, SBA.gov, G-O-V. That is a great resource for you to learn about how to start a business and what it might mean to you and the forms you need and how to do it. You don't need to go to an attorney to start a business. SBA.gov is probably the best place for you to go. So look into it. If you want to get into the speaking business and you want to go big, you've got to think about how you're going to build companies. And the bigger the company is, you're going to have to think about how to build them, how to invoice them, and how to accept payments. There might be some little organizations that can Venmo you money or PayPal you money, but if you're looking at big corporations, they're going to deal in checks and credit cards, and you need to know how to accept them and how to deal with taxes. So look into starting a business for the business of speaking, and I'll see you on more stages. Now, if this was helpful to you, feel free to leave a comment and go to my website, Path to the Main Stage, and sign up so you're never missing tips because I'll send one every week, and I'll also post call to speakers there. See you on the main stage.